to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Katie and this is a series where I'm going to be testing out things that WikiHow tells you how to do. I'm going to show you whether they actually work or not, because I'm sure we've all looked at it and wondered, what are you trying to accomplish here? Like, some of these things on WikiHow are just a little bit odd. So today we're going to be testing out whether I can remove rust from a pocket knife. Here's the little knife here. It's, you know, got a little name on it. If I just unfold it for you, you can see it's a little bit difficult to unfold. Now please, if you're younger, you probably shouldn't have one of these bad boys, but I got it as a present for a friend. See here, it's just a little bit rusty. So we're going to be trying to remove any of that and see if we can actually get this little hinge in here working a bit better, because that's really difficult and it shouldn't be. All right, let's jump on and have a look at what WikiHow tells us to do. All right, everyone, just a little update for you. I've scrolled through WikiHow. I've looked at all the different types. I've decided to pick number 3. That's just because in my host family's house at the moment, I can't find any white vinegar or anything else like that. Best I could do was this lemon juice, you know, salt. We're gonna use this bad boy. We're gonna see how that goes. Should be fine. You know, just follow the steps, see how we go. Alright everyone, welcome back. As you saw before, we've got a nice, beautiful, clean pocket knife here. You can see in the actual hinge part, it's It's a lot cleaner in there, and it feels a lot easier to open. That actually really worked quite well. I would 100% recommend this method. Made it so much easier to open and close the knife, and I think that it's really given it another life. I can give it to my friend, and I think they're gonna love it. That's Kato approved. WikiHow Kato approved. See you next time, guys.